Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a new compatible battery for your HP Pavilion 14 on hand. It's essential to work in a clean, dry environment to prevent any static damage to internal components. Start by powering off your laptop completely. Disconnect the power adapter and any external devices. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. Locate the screws securing the back cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, placing them in a safe location to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply excessive force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. After removing the back cover, you will see the battery connected to the motherboard. Identify the battery connector, which is typically a small plastic tab that you can pull to disconnect the battery. Gently lift the connector and pull it away from the motherboard. If you're unsure or uncomfortable doing this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws, depending on your model. Again, use the Phillips screwdriver for this task. Safely store these screws in the same location as the previous ones. With the screws removed, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. Take a moment to clean the area around the battery slot using a soft brush or compressed air. This helps remove dust and debris that can affect the performance of your new battery. Next, take your new battery and align it with the compartment. Gently place it into the slot, ensuring that it fits snugly. Reattach the battery connector to the motherboard by pushing it down until you hear a click. After securing the battery, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold it in place. Be sure to tighten them appropriately, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the battery or the casing. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws that secure the back cover, ensuring that everything is firmly in place. Before powering the laptop back on, check for any tools or debris left inside the laptop. Once you're confident everything is clear, turn your laptop back upright and reconnect the power adapter. Power on the HP Pavilion 14. If the laptop starts up normally and recognizes the new battery, congratulations! You've successfully replaced your battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, allowing you to avoid calls and travel. For your peace of mind, we also offer a quote before repair, so you know what to expect in terms of costs. Maintaining your laptop is crucial for its longevity, and replacing the battery is a great step in the right direction. Always refer to your user manual for specific instructions related to your model, and happy computing. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.